Welcome friends. This video is an intro to a research-based social network site named ResearchGate. ResearchGate is a professional social network platform which provides a researcher to share his or her research work. There are some interesting facts about ResearchGate. The ResearchGate was founded in 2008 in Boston. There are some other websites are also there similar to ResearchGate like academia.edu, Google Scholar and Mendeley. Academia.edu is just similar to ResearchGate, but it has some features which are available on payment. That is, some features are paid. Google Scholar provides your personal collection of articles and is freely accessible web search engine that indexes the full text data and metadata of scholarly literature. Mendeley is a free reference manager and an academic social network to showcase your work, connect and collaborate with other researchers. So it has ResearchGate has over 15 million registered users according to 2008 study by Nature and a 2016 article in Times of Higher Education. The ResearchGate was the largest academic social network in terms of active users. What is ResearchGate? ResearchGate is a professional network where scientists and researchers can share their research works and access scientific contents, knowledge and expertise. They can ask questions, they can put their queries, they can answer others' questions, they can put their research work, and they can in this way they can showcase their research work to all over the world. They can connect, they can follow other researchers, and they can collaborate with other researchers. So ResearchGate is majorly for sharing papers, asking and answering questions, finding collaborators all over the world. If they can find collaborator in the same field or in different field or interdisciplinary research, they can also do by finding the suitable collaborator over there and posting academic job. Academic job can be personal, just like if someone has project, then they can put their advertisement over there, or if some university or institution can also advertise over there. So some key features of ResearchGate are: reading article doesn't require registration. If at all I want to read some research paper, then it doesn't require any registration. I can freely access those papers. But we need to be member. We need to have a profile over there, just because it provides many things such as the member of the site each have a user profile and can upload their research output, including papers, data, chapters, patents, research proposals, and even their research project, method, presentation, and software source code, etc. They can follow other researchers for updates of similar nature or interdisciplinary nature. ResearchGate indexes self-published information on user profile. So suppose there is my profile and I'm working on certain field. So the ResearchGate takes some keywords from my profile and it searches over all researchers' research interest, and it posts on home page the similar paper, so that I can access those paper easily, or else I can manually search my research interest over there and collaborate with other researchers and access their profile, download their papers. I can recommend their paper, or somebody else can recommend my paper, like this. Other feature, when a researcher over there posts a question, it is fielded to others that have identified on their user profile. So relevant expertise, the researcher who has relevant expertise, they can see those questions and they can answer if they have answer. So in this way, there is a flow of knowledge over there. So it is also a private chat room where one can send the message and get the reply. So he can discuss the topic and all. It also gives the H index automatically, so that we can talk later what is H index and all. And this also gives a relative ResearchGate score. Of course, there is no such criteria, no open criteria how ResearchGate score is calculated over, but this is somewhat a percentile is there. They calculate based on our research interest, our research publication, and research project, or what I answer, if I am answering some questions, and number of followers, or number of researcher I am following. But there is nothing clear-cut thing that what is the basis for calculating the research score. So in the next few videos, we learn to create and manage ResearchGate profile, and there we will learn what we have talked about everything here. Thank you very much.